Hello friends, myself Professor Shantaya Gurmat, Department of Botany, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College, Madhya Bihar, Karnataka State. Friends, today's class we discuss about plant movements, that is thigmotropism. The growth movements of plant organs in response to the stimulus of contact or friction are referred to as thigmotropism or haptotropism, and are particularly seen in plants which climb by means of tendrils or in which ordinary parts, the best example is Gloriosa superba, serve for climbing because they are sensitive to contact stimulus. The tendrils are found in a number of plants and are modified stem branches. Best example as vine, Passiflora, and Cucurbitaceae members. Thigmotropism is a directional growth movement which occurs as a mechanosensory response to a touch stimulus. It is typically found in twining plants and tendrils. However, plant biologists have also found thigmotropic responses in flowering plants and fungi. This behavior occurs due to unilateral growth inhibitions. This is the growth rate on the side of the stem which is being touched is slower than on the side opposite to touch. Resultant growth pattern is to attach and sometimes curl around the object which is touching the plant. Since growth is a complex developmental procedure, there are indeed many requirements, both biotic and abiotic, that are needed for both a touch perception and a thigmotropic response to occur. Responses to touch in treatment plants which received calcium channel inhibitors were diminished compared to control plant, indicating that calcium may be required for thigmotropism. Later in 2001, a member depolarization pathway was proposed in which calcium was involved. When a touch occurs, calcium channels open and calcium flows into the cell, shifting and electrochemical potential across the membrane. This triggers voltage gated chloride and potassium channels to open and leads to an action potential that signals the perception of touch. The plant growth hormone auxins has also been observed to be involved in thigmotropic behavior in plants, but its role is not well understood. Instead of asymmetric auxin distribution influencing other tropisms, it has been shown that a unidirectional thigmotropic response can occur even with a symmetric distribution of auxins. It has been proposed that the action potential arising from a touch stimulus leads to increase of auxin in the cell, which causes the production of an contractile protein on the side of the touch that allows the plant to grip into an movement. Further, it has been shown that when the auxin and touch stimulus were applied on the same side of a cucumber hypocotyle, the stem will curve towards the touch. Ethylene, another plant hormone, has also been shown to be an important regulator to the thigmotropic response in Arabidopsis thaliana roots. Under normal circumstances, high ethylene concentrations in the roots promote straight growth. When the root encounters a rigid object, the thigmotropic response is activated and ethylene production is down regulated, leading to the root to bend while the growing rather than growing straight. Okay, thank you friends. We meet in the next video.